So you've just opened a Swyftx account to buy and sell crypto, but you're not sure what else it can do? Let me show you my favorite features on the Swyftx platform. Before we get started, if you haven't made a Swyftx account, now's the perfect time to do it. They're actually giving $20 in Bitcoin when you sign up and verify your account right now. Sign up and claim your Bitcoin by following the link down in the description below. Alright, now that you've done that, let me take you to the home page. First is the market value summary here. It shows you the top 5 coins in the last 24 hours that have made the most growth, but also the coins that have lost the most. So if you're looking to buy the dip and sell at a certain time, this is a really useful feature. I'd say most of these are altcoins that are a bit obscure, so you have to do some more research on the specific coins, because on this page, they don't really tell you much else besides the percentage it's grown at. So if you want to look into why it's gone up or down, you have to spend some extra time doing that. Next is the auto feature. This is great if you want to utilize dollar cost averaging. So how it works is, say you get paid each Thursday. So I can go on here, I can create a scheduled payment that takes whatever amount I want each period, and it adds it to my investment of choice. So this is great if you don't want to keep track and you want to reduce the impact of volatility. There's no additional automated order fee either, but each completed trade still has Swyftx's normal trading fee of 0.6% plus spread, which is a little on the higher side for crypto exchanges. Now, if you're a beginner in crypto trading, specifically on the Swyftx platform, it has these simple guides and courses on the Swyftx Learn page. So this includes all the basics of using interface, investment strategies, and general information about crypto investing. On courses in the earn section, you can even get rewards for just completing them. Look at this, $5 in Bitcoin just for doing this course, right? The only catch here is that you have to score at least 80% or higher on these courses, and if you fail, you gotta wait 24 hours before you can restart. If you're looking to lock in and invest for the future, you gotta check out the self-managed super fund option. This is great if you want to add crypto to your super fund. They've actually got a guide on this with all the information of how it works, how you can get ahead, and how you can book a consultation if you want to discuss further. So to get access to this option, you need to make sure that your account's at gold level, which requires you to authenticate and verify your ID to unlock it. Now, of course, to set up a self-managed super fund, there are high setup costs, but you can use partners through Swyftx, plus ongoing fees like auditing and accounting you should consider as well. Lastly, I want to show you this bundle feature. This is by far my favorite, right? So it's so easy if you want to create a diverse portfolio and invest in multiple coins within the one transaction. I can go ahead here, I can buy the big 2, or if meme coins are more your thing, you can do that as well. And I can even swap out one entirely. So let's just say I want to do, I think this is going to do well. So those are just some of my favorite features, but there's a plethora of others for beginners and experienced traders. What other features and exchanges do you want us to look into next? Comment down below and let us know.